What if you could step into the past? Not just watch it, but live it. Imagine walking through ancient Rome, standing beside Lincoln at Gettysburg, or witnessing the construction of the pyramids, all through the power of AI-generated time travel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create hyper-realistic historical POV videos, step by step. Buckle up. We're about to bend time. Stay with me as we begin. This video is packed with valuable insights, so I recommend setting aside just 15 minutes to watch it all the way through. You won't want to miss the expert tips I'll be sharing, especially toward the end, where I'll reveal key strategies for running a successful YouTube channel. By the time we finish, you'll walk away with actionable knowledge. Let's dive in. Step 1. Crafting your prompts writing. Effective prompts can be challenging, but let's break it down. First, gather inspiration. Browse TikTok and explore POV videos to spark creative ideas. Once you've found some inspiration, move to ChatGPT. Enter your concept and assign it the role you want it to fulfill. Let's use this idea as our starting point. POV. You wake up as a soldier in the trenches of World War II. Experience the tension and fear of waiting for an attack. Now we'll ask ChatGPT to generate 10 different scenes depicting a day in the life of this soldier. Once we have those, the next step is to refine them into detailed AI image generation prompts. Simply input. Provide detailed prompts for AI-generated images. Based on each of these 10 WW2 trench scenes, ChatGPT will then give you optimized descriptions ready for your preferred AI art tool. Next, we'll convert these scenes into animated sequences using any video generation tool. For each scene, create a detailed prompt of 5 to 6 sentences written in first-person perspective. Focus on achieving photorealistic quality by including specific visual and sensory details. I'll be sharing all of these ready-to-use prompts and real-world case studies from this video on my official Learnify AI website. You'll find the link in the video description below. I'd love for you to join our community there. And remember, whenever you need fresh creative ideas, ChatGPT is an incredible resource. It can provide you with endless inspiration tailored to your specific needs. The possibilities are truly limitless when you know how to craft the right prompts. Step 2. Generating your images. Now that we have our prompts ready, let's create the visuals. Simply copy your text prompt and navigate to Piclumen AI. Click on Create App, then paste your detailed description. For optimal results, select the Piclumen Art version 1 model. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for vertical video. Formats like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Click Generate. Repeat this process for all 10 scenes to build your complete visual set. Once generated, download each image and organize them in a dedicated folder on your computer. This will keep your workflow efficient as we move to the next stage. Step 3. Animating your images. To bring your scenes to life, you can use any image-to-video generator like Hilo AI, Kling AI, or Runway ML. For this tutorial, I'll be using Wan 2.1 i2v, one of the most advanced image-to-video models available. Here's how to get started. Go to TensorArt and navigate to the Model section. Select Wan 2.1 from the available options. Click the Run button, then choose Image-to-Video from the header tabs. This will allow you to upload your generated images and transform them into dynamic, lifelike animations. Now let's bring your images to life through animation. Start by uploading your first generated image to the platform. For optimal results, select the Stable Generation mode. This delivers higher quality output, though you can choose Fast mode if you're prioritizing speed. Make sure to set the resolution to 9:16 to maintain perfect formatting for vertical video platforms. You'll then need to determine your video duration based on your content needs. The final creative touch comes from entering your animation prompt. This text description will guide how your image transforms into video. Once everything is set, hit Generate and let the system work its magic. When your animation is ready, download it immediately to your device. You'll want to repeat this entire process methodically for each of your remaining images, maintaining consistent settings across all videos for a cohesive final product. The Stable Generation mode may take slightly longer to process, but the enhanced visual quality is well worth the wait when creating professional-grade animations. Step 4. Enhancing video quality. Now let's enhance your video quality through upscaling. This step makes a dramatic difference in how professional your final content looks. The best part? You can do it completely free using CapCut's website. Just head over to their online platform, not the mobile app, and look for the Magic Tools section on the left side. From there, navigate to the video category where you'll find the Video Upscaler feature. Simply upload each of your clips one by one and let the AI work its magic. Within moments, you'll have noticeably sharper, clearer versions of your videos ready to download. It's incredible how much this elevates the viewing experience, making every detail pop. Once processed, save these upgraded files to your device. They're now primed for editing or direct publishing. This quick but crucial step ensures your hard work translates into truly professional-looking results. Step 5. Music and sound. Effects. Now we reach the immersive stage, adding music and sound effects to bring your scenes to life. Remember those atmospheric details we included in our animation prompts? Those weren't just for visuals, they're your blueprint for sound design. Take our trench warfare example. You'll want layered audio like muffled soldier conversations, clattering equipment, distant artillery rumbles, and sudden bugle calls cutting through the tension. Each scene demands its own sonic texture. Maybe machine gun bursts for action sequences, or that terrifying whistle of incoming mortars for suspenseful moments. For authentic, copyright-free sounds, I recommend starting with Pixabay's audio library. Simply search terms like War Ambiance or WW2 Battlefield to find matching effects. If you're already working in CapCut on desktop, you'll find their built-in sound library surprisingly robust for everything from subtle background noise to dramatic stings. The key is balancing these elements so they enhance rather than overwhelm. Distant booms should murmur underneath close-up metallic clangs, with occasional sharp sounds jolting the viewer. When done right, this audio layering transforms good visuals into a truly visceral experience. Step 6. Editing. Now we've reached the final creative stage, editing our footage into a compelling story. I recommend using CapCut for this process. It's powerful yet user-friendly. Start by importing all your video clips and audio files into the project. Drag your footage into the timeline and begin refining. Trim unnecessary sections, adjust clip speeds for better pacing, and remove any watermarks. Pay special attention to seamless transitions. I prefer using subtle black fades between scenes for a professional touch. For sound design, carefully layer your effects to match each scene's action. Remember to add your background music, but keep it subtle. Around 15% volume works well to maintain atmosphere without overpowering key audio elements. Here's a pro tip for engagement. Add dynamic subtitles. Start by styling your text. Choose a bold, readable font and select a preset that complements your video's tone. I prepare my subtitle script in advance. ChatGPT is great for this, with scene-specific details. Simply copy-paste each line while maintaining consistent formatting throughout. This not only boosts accessibility, but helps viewers connect emotionally with your story. When everything looks perfect, export your masterpiece in the highest quality settings. Take a moment to review the final product. This is where all your hard work comes together into something truly special. So, what do you think? Pretty impressive, right? But here's the thing. Creating a great video is only half the journey. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, you need to set yourself up for success from the start. First, optimize your channel before you even upload. Don't rush into posting. Take the time to make a strong first impression. Design a clean, eye-catching profile picture and banner. Canva has great free templates. For this, fill out your channel description with relevant keywords and set up your channel tags to help YouTube understand your niche. This way, when viewers discover your content, they'll see a professional, put-together channel that makes them want to hit subscribe. Tip number 1. Mastering SEO for growth. Search traffic drives serious views. To leverage it, research. Use Google Trends, vidIQ to find trending, niche, relevant keywords. Implement. Naturally include keywords in titles, descriptions, script content. Pro tip. Balance discoverability with viewer appeal. Optimize for both algorithms and humans. Balance discoverability with engagement. Avoid robotic keyword stuffing. Craft titles that spark curiosity while being search-friendly. Here are the examples. Bad. WWW2 trench facts. Good. What soldiers really ate in WWW2 trenches. Shocking truth. Tip number 2. Smart upload strategy for new channels. New creators often hurt their growth by uploading too frequently. For optimal results, post 1 to 2 long videos weekly. Limit shorts to 3 to 4 weekly. This pacing helps YouTube's algorithm understand your channel while avoiding spam flag. Remember, consistent quality outperforms rushed quantity. Tip number 3. Stay patient. Growth takes time. Don't quit if views are low at first. Focus on monthly progress, not single videos. Even big creators, 300K plus subs, started small. In my case, results came after 40 days. Stay consistent, and traction will follow. Pro tip. For top quality results, I recommend using TensorArt's Wan 2.1. It delivers exceptional output for this workflow. The link is waiting for you in the video description below. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. That wraps up our tutorial on creating AI-generated historical videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried making your own time travel POV videos? Share your results or questions in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. If you're curious about Illustrious's Excel Pro 2.0 online training for generating AI images on TensorArt, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to watch Best AI Image Generator, free Illustrious XL V20 TensorArt, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.